Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in calculator on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open and select agree and continue. Now just tap on grant. Then enable this toggle. After that, just tap on got it. Now just create a 4-digit PIN. After you create a 4-digit PIN, then tap on the equal to button to enter. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. From here, just select skip and tap on skip. Now to hide your apps in the calculator app, just tap on the hide icon. And from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. After you select the apps which you want to hide, then tap on next. Select enter. From here, just select calculator. Now once you do that, the selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now to find the hidden apps, just open the calculator app, then enter your PIN. Tap on the equal to button. Now at the top of the screen, you will find all the apps which you have hidden. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.